I'm here today with this Klask game. I saw it and I thought this was really cool. So it's a little bit of a twist on like Fussball or air hockey, I think, with magnets. So I was really eager to test this out and see what this does exactly. So let's unbox this and see what we get. So it's a pretty sturdy cardboard box that we can open. And oh, so it's like the complete game board is already in there, completely assembled. So that's always nice to see. Let's see what we have here. So here are the rules, and then here is the board, and it's nice and soft. It has soft feet here, so it doesn't scratch your table. It seems sturdy enough. Nice and wooden. And then let's see what we get here. Let's open up this little bag. Oh, so there's a few knots in there. So we have to get that open. Okay, so here are, I think, the game pieces. And a couple of balls, and then two. Okay, what is all this? These seem to be magnetized as well. So that's really weird. And then two sticks with magnets. Okay. An epic magnetic battle. Designed in Denmark. Hi, I'm Mikkel. I live in the Netherlands, so it's not that far away, Denmark. What's inside the box? The Klask board, two scoring discs, two magnetic strikers, and steering magnets. Oh, wait. You can remove these and then move those around. Whoa, that's a really strong magnet. That's funny. It feels really weird. And for white magnets, aka the biscuits, and two balls. Okay. Place the board on a table between two players and make sure it's level. The youngest player starts the game by placing the ball on the starting corner of their choice. So you can use your thing and you can place the ball here in the starting corner, and then you have your magnet there. Place the white magnets on the white fields, magnets facing up. So we have 4 magnets here. And there's 1 spare, and we have 2 balls, that's also 1 spare. And I don't know what these are yet, but let's find out. Okay. Insert both scoring discs to start at 0 points. Oh, so you can see where you are here with these discs. Well, they could have used any type of scoring system, but it seems to work pretty well. It slants in one of these places, and you have like the score on there from 0 to 6. So the first one to 6. Both players have a black striker magnet and connecting steering magnet. Place the striker on top of the board with the steerer underneath and connect. How to play. Hit the orange ball into your opponent's goal while avoiding the obstacles of the field. So you can't touch the obstacles, they're also magnetic. Both players are free to move at all times and there is no order of turn. Players can move their strikers by using the steering magnets underneath the Klask board. And there's like a divider here underneath here, so you can't go across the middle, it seems. There are 4 ways to score. If the orange ball ends up in your opponent's goal and stays there, if the ball bounces out, the game continues. That's really, really cool. Oh, and I was too close to the magnet. 2 or 3 white magnets stick to your opponent's striker. Okay, so 1 is okay, but 2, and then you've lost that point. If your opponent loses control of their striker and can gain control again, then you also lose because it fell, it seems. Klask, when your opponent steers the striker into their own goal, then you also get a point immediately. If you hear Klask, it's a point. Oh, Klask, clack. Then it, oh yeah, so I lost it. Then it's also a point. Okay. Other rules. If only one white magnet sticks to a striker, the game continues. If a white magnet falls over the side of the board, the game continues. If the ball falls over the side of the board, place it in the closest corner to the point of exit, and then that player can move like a corner. Very cool. I'm going to try this with my son and let you know how that, yeah, I got one. And then let you know how that goes. But it seems really, really fun. It's well built. All wood here. The magnets are very, very strong. And it seems like a very innovative game here. So thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you make your choice.